Everyone, here we are today at the Santa Fe Depot. Behind us is Santa Fe Southern 93. We're going to be riding on the cab today down to Lamy and back. Let's check this out.
Two of them now, too.
Anywhere there,
Alright, we stop anybody. I'll stop 93.
Can you go ahead and pull ahead, please, out of the circuit? We got some cars up here.
On April 3rd, 2022, we rode in the cab of Santa Fe Southern 93, now owned by Sky Railway. I joined engineers Daniel Dornbrach and Janice Convery for the journey down to milepost 2, just outside Lamy, New Mexico.
There you go. Stop. Why don't you just pull beyond the two cars to stop? How about that?
You said two more?
Yeah.
Two more, here we go.
In part 1 of this video, the train is moved from the forced storage track at the Santa Fe Depot to the track next to the depot where the passengers will board. This move necessitated going west on the track toward the crossing at Paseo de Peralta and shoving back into the station. While Daniel drove the train, Janice guarded the crossings, operated the switches, and called out the distances for Daniel.
Anywhere there's good.
Stop it.
Yeah, like a dozen cars just came through here. I still can't cross.
I'll stop 93.
Oh, stop. Thank you.
Sometimes tricky. You've got two radios. We have Intermark's dispatch here. We've got our road channel. So sometimes you have to balance it out.
Oh yeah.
Because they'll call us sometimes. So we got
I'm going to try and aim for 10,000 steps rather than 20,000 today.
Efficiency is good. So we've got a green signal. It's hard to see, but up on the left you can see our signal board, and we've got a green signal at CPL right there.
Okay, see that.
Clear signal, so that means we're good to go. We're going to go past Paseo here. This is an interesting circuit because we have to crawl basically up on it, stop the train within 10 feet of the road. Gates come down, then we proceed, then we'll stop, line up the main one for our direction. I'll pull past it. Janice will line it behind it. We'll shove back onto the main one into Santa Fe.
Okay.
Alright, 93, I'm on board. You can pull down to the crossing.
Copy that, all aboard. Here we go. I'm a little rougher without paying passengers on board.
Yeah, more fun with
It's just the crew, they're fine.
That's the conductor's side.
Copy that.
Hopefully. Not a spring switch, is it?
No, not yet. Janice back in the seat all lined up. There we go. Hey. Triggered that circuit a little bit, but I'll be fine. Go back up.
The one up there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see that. You're not gonna be here very long.
Oh yeah, we'll be fine. That is an interesting, when we leave town, that is just...
I'll switch the line left for the main and for the other right movement. If you bring her back, you've got 4 to the crossing.
I'll line up, come back forward. Here we go. St. Francis is, man, what an interesting intersection. Coming across the diagonal and people are just all over the place. So,
well, I'm sure
really careful there.
I'm sure you know it's weird to drive through it.
Yeah, oh yeah, absolutely. That is